Hi everybody and welcome to ISA's Product Spotlight. This is Nick Dumeier. I'm back in our lab again, but today we're going to highlight a couple of panels. The Fire-Lite MS-9200 and MS-9200UDLS. So what we're here to discuss is again the Fire-Lite MS-9200, which I'm actually standing in front of. This is our mock test system that we can actually test components, basically the CPU boards, things like that, after they've been through the repair process. Now keep in mind, every single item that we sell here at ISA that's been reconditioned has been tested in a mock system just like this one. This one just happens to be the MS-9200 version. Now we also have a test system for the MS-9200UDLS. So whenever you're working with one of these older Fire-Lite systems, you need a replacement board, chances are we're going to have it in stock, already been through the repair process, ready to ship to you. Now keep in mind those come with a 1-year warranty. If we don't have one in stock, you can always take one of yours, send it to us. We can complete repairs in about 3 to 5 days. It will still carry the 1-year warranty. So if you have questions revolving anything about the MS-9200 or MS-9200UDLS, give us a call. This is Nick Dumeier. We'll talk to you again soon.